Hey guys and girls, in this video we're going to take a look at the best 75-inch TVs. This list is based on my personal opinion and tons of research, and I've listed products based on quality, durability, price, and more. I've included options for every type of consumer, so if you're looking for an entry-level option or the best product money can buy, we'll have the product for you in this list. If you want more information and updated pricing of the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description down below. The products mentioned are in no exact order, so be sure to stay to the end so you don't miss anything. Also, if you want a chance to win one of the 75-inch TVs in the video, just subscribe, don't forget to hit the notification bell, and leave a comment with the hidden word in the video. Once we reach 1,000 likes, we will pick a winner and notify him. Okay, so without further ado, this is our pick of the best 75-inch TVs on the market right now. Coming at number 6, we've got the LG CX Series OLED TV. If you have deep pockets or simply want the cream of the crop when shopping for a smart TV, you can't go wrong with the LG CX. Yes, this model isn't technically 75 inches, it's 2 inches larger, but it offers much deeper black shades and truer colors than its LCD and LED counterparts, which gives it a truly breathtaking picture. As you'd expect, this gorgeous 4K Ultra HD TV supports HDR10 plus Dolby Vision content, NVIDIA G-Sync, and it's equipped with all the largest smart features and plenty of ports. You get 4 full-spec HDMI 2.1 ports and 3 USB 2.0 ports. It runs LG's WebOS platform. It includes Alexa capabilities and a nifty remote, and it supports voice controls. It's also one of the few TVs that are equipped with Dolby Atmos speakers to provide a much more immersive experience. Really, its only downside is its steep asking price. Coming at number 5, Vizio P Series. This TV's massive display delivers one of the brightest pictures in the business. It supports up to 1,200 nits of brightness, making it a great option to use in a room with lots of windows. The TV features quantum dots for a wider color gamut, and it has 200 local dimming zones to improve its black levels and contrast performance. Whether you want to use it for movie watching, TV viewing, or gaming, this model is a jack of all trades. It runs Vizio's SmartCast platform, which offers users quick and easy access to a wide selection of apps from Amazon Prime Video, Netflix, Disney+, and more. Coming at number 4, Samsung The Frame QLED 4K UHD HDR Smart TV. As its name suggests, the TV looks a lot like a photo frame. When you're not watching a TV show or movie, the TV can display 100 gorgeous free works of art, as well as your personal photos. Users have the option to change the TV's wood frame to better match their home decor. The frame also comes bundled with Samsung's brand new no-gap wall mount, so it sits flush against your wall. It has Alexa built in and supports most major streaming apps. When it comes to picture quality, you won't be disappointed, since the frame delivers a full Ultra HD picture. If you want a unique television that is unlike any other, you can't go wrong with the frame. Number 3, Samsung Q60T Smart TV. This 4K Samsung TV is an excellent choice for gamers because of its superb motion handling and its low input lag. We think it's one of the nicest looking big screen TVs you can buy, thanks to its slim bezels, top-notch brightness, and ambient mode that makes the TV seamlessly blend in with any wall decor while not in use. The TV supports HDR content, but doesn't do Dolby Vision. It packs 3 HDMI ports for your consoles, and it even has Amazon's virtual assistant Alexa built right in. It produces a smart picture and runs Samsung's Tizen smart platform for downloading your favorite streaming apps. Coming at number 2, Hisense H8G Quantum Series 4K QLED Smart TV. Despite its lower price point, the H8G Quantum has remarkably thin bezels, a beautiful metal stand, and solid picture quality. While this model won't rival high-end TVs from LG, Samsung, and Sony, it supports HDR and offers vivid colors and deep black shades for movie and television watching. This model runs Android TV, supports Google Assistant integration, and includes a useful voice-controlled remote. It's worth mentioning the Hisense does not have HDMI 2.1 ports, which are commonly found on TVs in this size. It doesn't have support for eARC either, and both are important features for future-proofing your TV to use with next-generation video gaming consoles and speakers. Regardless, if you want to stretch your dollar further, the Hisense finds the best balance between price and performance for a 75-inch TV. Number 1. Sony X950H 75-inch 4K. If you're looking for a best-in-class HDR-compatible smart TV that offers a truly incredible, lifelike picture and stellar audio, look no further than this model from Sony. It uses Android TV as its platform, which packs all your favorite streaming apps. Plus, the TV has Chromecast and AirPlay too, so content can be casted from your smartphone or tablet directly to the TV. Although the H950G is pricier than most other options, we think it's worthy of the splurge, because Sony's TVs are proven to have higher reliability and owner satisfaction within the first 5 years of ownership, according to survey data from Consumer Reports. That brings us to the end of our review and buyer's guide for the best 75-inch TVs. Hope to see you in the next video. Let us know in the comments what is your favorite one. And if you like this content, don't forget to subscribe and get notified when we launch new videos. Thanks for watching. Peace.